It's a very interesting collection of people. I've been coming to these festivals last 3 years since they began, and I like it because there's a lot of interaction between writers, not only from Bangladesh, but writers from outside, and a lot of audience participation. For instance, I went to the session today where Jon Snow was talking to the Palestinians, and that's a very personal sort of response we get directly from the writers, which is, I think, very useful. And I think it's a broadening of culture to have Bengali writers talking to people from other parts of the world. Otherwise, societies become very closed and shut themselves inside. So it's great. Yeah. Nayanthara talked about her recent position and on the what's happening in India, the communalization of India. It's a very strong statement, and she talked about that over here. And I think that is something that we share across in South Asia. So there was an exchange of views on that. And I hope they'll take back that we are part of the same struggle that she's engaged with. I think that happens across the board with different writers. Palestine, for instance, I think we would all support their cause. So that exchange is very useful for both the people who are coming from outside and to the rest of us who may not know how to write, but we read. Well, professionally I've been an editor, so I'm very connected with writing, and I do a lot of research. So like we recently completed some research on sexual violence and impunity, and that will be published by Zuban, whose publisher is here. And I'm very engaged in the human rights movement, which spans all countries in South Asia. Literature means that I can try and understand how societies work, not only this society but other societies, how people connect to each other. It also means how one can raise certain values about interaction between different communities, which is, I think, the big sore point in South Asia, how to fight against communalism.